This video tutorial I will explain how to use Microsoft Excel. First you have to open the Microsoft Excel, click on Excel icon from your computer or search for Excel in the start menu. Once opened, choose blank workbook to start a new Excel sheet. Search for Excel, click on this and here you can see blank workbook. Click on this. Now we will understand the Excel screen. First we will see the key components and here you can see the worksheet. Worksheet is nothing but the big grid made of rows and columns where you type the data. Next one is rows. Rows is nothing but horizontal lines with numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is first row, this is second row, this is third row, like that. Next one is columns. Columns are nothing but vertical lines with letters A, B, C. So this is A column, this is B column, this is C column. Next we will see the important elements. Cell. Cell is the box where row and column meet. For example, this one is A1 column. Here you can see. This is A2 column. This is B2 column. Next one is formula bar. Here you can see the formula bar which shows what is inside the selected cell. Here is the selected cell. I type KO. Here L. And here you can see the formula bar showing what is inside the selected cell. And next one is sheet. Sheets are the tab at the bottom like sheet 1. If you want to rename the sheet, you can rename it. If you want to delete, delete it. And if you want to create one more sheet, click on this. Next we will see how to enter the data into the cells. Next we will see how to format your data. Next we will see how to use auto sum. To do auto sum, select this two cells and here you can see auto sum option. Click on that. And here we got the total, which is 68. Next we will see how to do simple calculations like add, subtract, multiply and divide. Next we will see how to create a table. You have to select your data including headers, click on insert and here you can see the table option. Click on this and table is created. Next we will see how to sort and filter. Click on data, click on filter, click on number filter, and these many filters I can put. I am selecting greater than 30. Click on OK. It is showing the age which is greater than 30. Next we will see sorting. Click on sort. Sort by age, smallest to largest. Click on OK, and it is sorted, smallest to largest. Next, largest to smallest. Next, sort by name, A to Z. Z to A. Next, we will see how to save your work. The best way to learn Excel is to practice. Enter different types of information into the cells. Experiment with colors, fonts, and styles. Practice basic calculations and functions. Organize your data in different ways. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.